Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, welcome back to our today's class. Do you remember me? Nan gurtupattana nenu? Then why you are not on your videos? We are which class students? We are the class of 1 or 2. Answer please. You are the class of? Show me your fingers, then I will get the answer. No need to unmute. Just show your fingers. 4th class. You are the class of 2. Okay. Yes, fine. We are the class of 2nd class. And what is our subject? That is EVS. How actual you are, I can know. Today's topic is that only. Keeping healthy and active. What is our topic name? Keeping healthy and active. Yes. How we should be healthy and active. Block 9. Emaindamma, Rishikesh, why you are looking at me like that? I am not going to show you any image now. Sit properly. Stuck in. Okay. Fine. Today we are going to learn about keeping healthy and active. What is our topic name? Keeping healthy and active. In the last 3 classes, we have discussed about external body parts, internal body parts, bones, joints, muscles, and how the internal organs will work. Heart ela work chestundi, lungs ela work chestunnai, bones ela work chestunnai, muscles ela work chestunnai. We have discussed all such points, right? Because of all that, we are going to be healthy. So today's topic is keeping healthy and active. How we should be healthy. How we should be healthy? Yes. Eat always fresh and clean food. What is the first point I am telling you? Eat always fresh and clean food. Always, when we are eating the snack or when we are eating the breakfast or when we are eating the lunch, every time we should eat the fresh food. Fresh and fresh. Suppose if we are going to eat the vegetable as a curry, suppose carrot of the 10 days, 15 days and curry is not tasty. So whenever we brought from the market, market means fresh vegetables. We should bring the vegetables which are fresh. Fresh vegetables we can store for 1 week. 1 week for store then we will be healthy. So always eat the fresh and clean food. Clean and marine. Yes. Always before cooking the food item, we should wash the vegetables. Vegetables ni wash chesi undali. Yes, for madam. Okay. Eat the fresh. Always we should wash the vegetables, and next one, before eating the food, we should wash our hands. Then only it will be the clean food. We should always cover the cooked food. Always we should cover the food. Food either it is a lunch or snack or anything. Maximum we should open the lid. Otherwise, most of the time it should be covered. It should be covered. Food should be covered. Apparently, elanti mosquitoes gani, lekote flies, insects gani, but with a balakunda. So always we should eat fresh and clean food. Means we should always cover the food. We should always wash our hands before eating. We should wash the vegetables before cooking. Like that. These are the things we should follow. Next one. Do the exercise regularly. Do the exercise regularly. Always. Whenever we are daily, do the exercise regularly. Means daily we should do the exercise. Exercise daily cheyali. Means you can ask me, madam, we are very small kids, how we can do the exercise? Does not important. మీరు చిన్న పిల్లల పెద్ద వాళ్ళ ఎవరు చాలు. But exercise is the most important thing for our body. మన బాడీ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉండాలంటే కంపల్సరీ ఎక్సర్సైజ్. మీరు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయాలని ఏం లేదు. జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ గో అవుట్ సైడ్ అండ్ ప్లే ఫర్ 1 or 2 hours. మీరు బయటికి వెళ్ళి ఆడుకుంటే 1 or 2 hours, then you will be automatically strong. You can jump, you can walk, you can run. All these are called as the exercises. So that every person need to do exercise regularly. You are the children, so you can play. While playing, you can jump, you can run, you can what we call, you can bend, you can do so many type of activity. So that the exercise is completed for you. For the remaining adults, for our parents, they will do the exercise like walking or jogging. They can do those things, right? So every person need to do the exercise regularly to be healthy and active. Healthy ga active ga undalante compulsory ga exercise cheyali. Next, always keep the surroundings clean. Keep the surroundings clean. ఎప్పుడైనా మన సరౌండింగ్స్, వాట్ వర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద సరౌండింగ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? మన ఇంటి చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న అంత ప్లేస్ ని మనం ఎప్పుడైనా క్లీన్ గా ఉంచుకోవాలి. ఆల్వేస్ కీప్ ద సరౌండింగ్స్ క్లీన్. మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, మన ఇంట్లో మాత్రం చాలా క్లీన్ గా ఉంటుంది మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ హౌసెస్, బట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ హౌస్ డస్ నాట్ బి క్లీన్. ఏంటి, మన డస్ట్ ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ పడేస్తున్నాం, ఎదురు ఒకవేళ ఎంటీ ప్లేస్ ఉంటే దాంట్లో త్రో చేయడం, అలాంటి పని చేస్తున్నాం. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వీ మే ఎఫెక్ట్, మనమే ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాం. ఎందుకు, డస్ట్ అంతా ఒకే ప్లేస్ లో ఎమర్జ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, ఒకే ప్లేస్ లో వేస్తూ ఉంటాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, డర్ట్ మొత్తం అంత పెద్ద యూ కెన్ సే లైక్ ఏ డస్ట్బిన్ లాగా అయిపోతుంది ప్లేస్. ఇంకోటి ఏమవుతుంది, మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద జెమ్స్ అన్ని ఒకే ప్లేస్ వస్తాయి, ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి, మస్కిటోస్ వస్తాయి. సో ఆల్వేస్ వీ షుడ్ కీప్ ద సరౌండింగ్స్ క్లీన్. ఒకవేళ సరౌండింగ్స్ ఇంటి చుట్టుపక్కల నీట్ గా లేదనుకోండి, దోమలు వస్తాయి, దాంతో పాటు జెమ్స్ వస్తాయి, డస్ట్, స్మెల్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ will. So to avoid all those things, we should keep our surroundings clean. అందుకోసం మనం సరౌండింగ్స్ చాలా క్లీన్ గా ఉంచుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేంటి చెప్పండి, ఏమైతే తెలుసా? Do you remember ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా? How we should be healthy. Already we have taken fresh food we should eat, as well as we should do the exercise also. Next, how we should be active. Anyone of you? Inka. Clean our surroundings is also completed.
Do exercise, ma'am.
Do exercise. Exercise also completed, na? Think.
Do yoga, ma'am. Do yoga. Do yoga.
Yoga. Okay, fine. Yoga also is a correct thing. Like that, we should follow some of the healthy things to be active. And almost keep our body also clean. Already we have discussed in the last chapter. Block 8 lo anukunta manam cheptunnam. We should brush our teeth twice a day, bath regularly, wash our hands before eating. All these things to be followed. Now I am going to share you the content image. Look after it. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to look after the screen share. Wait a minute. How we should be healthy. How we should be healthy. ఎలా మనం హెల్తీగా ఉండొచ్చు అని చెప్తున్నాను. Yeah. Look after the image. Keeping healthy and active. Ella healthy ga active ga undali. To keep all our organs healthy. Organs ante mana body lo unnayi kada, heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, hands, legs, nose, all these are called as organs. Mana body lo unna organs anni healthy ga ela unchukovali. We need to eat healthy food. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి, we need to eat healthy food. Healthy food కంపల్సరీగా తీసుకోవాలి. Healthy food means you should eat the fresh food. Means like fruits you should eat. You should stop eating the chocolates, biscuits. You can eat, but you can decrease. ఏంటి, ఎక్కువ ఫ్రూట్స్, వెజిటేబుల్స్, కుక్డ్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. బిస్కెట్స్, చాక్లెట్స్, ఐస్ క్రీమ్ you should be try to avoid them. కాకపోతే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం, నేను తింటా, కాకపోతే కొంచెం తగ్గించి తినాలి. ఓకే, రైట్. We need to eat healthy food and exercise. Exercise is must and should, either in the morning or in the evening. Morning maximum we should do the exercise in the morning. Morning time lone manam exercise cheyali. If it is not possible in the morning, we should do the exercise at the evening. ఒకవేళ మార్నింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయలేకపోతే మార్నింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయలేకపోతే మనం ఈవినింగ్ అయినా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయవచ్చు. బట్ ఎక్సర్సైజింగ్ ఈజ్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్. బట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఈజ్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ ఫర్ అవర్ బాడీ. మన బాడీకి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అనేది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. We should play outdoors every day. కంపల్సరీగా గేమ్ ఎక్కడ ఆడుకోవాలి, outdoors. Means on in the playground or in the park we should play this. Next, we should also keep ourselves and surroundings clean. మన చుట్టూ ఉన్న సరౌండింగ్స్ మొత్తం క్లీన్ గా ఉంచుకోవాలి. To avoid the germs, to avoid the mosquitoes, we should always keep our surroundings clean. Ways to keep healthy and active. What is the girl doing there? Eating the guava. And the next is the boy is doing climbing the stairs, or you can say he is doing the exercise, climbing exercise. Right. Next, do you know the tongue is the strongest muscle in our body? Which is the strongest muscle in the body? Tongue. Actually, we are having the strongest muscles, like the thigh muscles. అంటే మన బాడీలో థైస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, థై మజిల్ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. బట్ కంపేర్డ్ విత్ దట్ మజిల్, టంగ్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ స్ట్రాంగ్ మజిల్. బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే మన ఫుడ్ అంతా డైజెస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు we may hurt our tongue also. ఒక్కోసారి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, బై మిస్టేక్ అవర్ టంగ్ విల్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద టీత్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఒక్కసారి కట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఇట్ విల్ రికవర్ సూన్, తొందరగా రికవర్ అవుతుంది. అంటే మనకి 1-2 రోజులు మాత్రం పెయిన్ ఉంటుంది కానీ మళ్ళీ రికవర్ అవుతుంది. సో ద టంగ్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ స్ట్రాంగెస్ట్ muscle. Next glossary, we are going to look after the glossary. Digest. What is the meaning of the digest? Breaking down the food so that our body can use it. Mana body use chesukodaniki chesedani digestion antaru, or digest. If you are eating the chocolate, or if you are eating the snack, if you are eating the lunch, everything will digest and we will get the energy. Annitni చిన్న చిన్న పీసెస్ గా. బ్రేకింగ్ డౌన్ మీన్స్ కట్టింగ్. బ్రేకింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి, కట్టింగ్. కట్టింగ్ డౌన్ ద ఫుడ్ అంతా కట్ చేసి మనకి ఎనర్జీ ఇస్తుంది మన బాడీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అంటే ఏంటి, అవుట్ సైడ్. వాట్స్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్? అవుట్ సైడ్, బయట అని అంటారు. ఇంటర్నల్. ఇంటర్నల్ మీన్స్ ఇన్సైడ్, లోపల అని అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్గాన్స్. ఇంటర్నల్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ బాడీ విత్ ఏ ఫిక్స్డ్ షేప్ అండ్ రోల్. ఏంటి ఆర్గాన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇంటర్నల్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ బాడీ. Internal parts ఏంటి, heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, stomach. These are the 5 internal organs. They are having fixed shape. Kidneys bean shape లో ఉంటాయి. Next, heart will be in the fixed position. అలా కొన్ని shapes కరెక్ట్ గా ఏం చేస్తున్నాయి కూడా. What is their function also we have. That is the meaning of organ. Now I can show you some of the areas which are related to healthy. Yes. I am healthy. నేను ఎలా హెల్తీగా ఉన్నా. I eat a nutritious breakfast. నేను చాలా న్యూట్రిషియస్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్. న్యూట్రిషియస్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి మరి? Yes, eating the chapati or eating the idli, dosha or eating the curries very healthy. అంటే గ్రీన్ వెజిటబుల్స్ తినడం, రా క్యారెట్ తినడం, ఇవన్నీ న్యూట్రిషియస్ అని అంటారు. లంచ్ అండ్ ద డిన్నర్ ఫర్ ఏ హెల్తీ బాడీ. I am going to eat nutritious breakfast, lunch and dinner for healthy body. Anni healthy food items e tintunna. I am not going to eat the Maggi. I am not going to eat the chocolate. Ala avi chocolate, Maggi, noodles ivi kaakunda food items ante enti, chapati gaani lekka snack items anukondi. Mummy prepare chese snack items enti, like mostly we eat snack as a biscuits only. or sometimes we can use the Maggi also. అలా కాకుండా సంథింగ్ విచ్ షుడ్ బి ప్రిపేర్డ్ బై అవర్ పేరెంట్స్. మన పేరెంట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసినట్టు స్నాక్ ఐటమ్ గా క్యారెట్ తినడం, లేకపోతే ఒక గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రూట్ జ్యూస్ తాగడం, ఫ్రూట్స్ తినడం స్నాక్ గా, అలా చేస్తే వీ షుడ్ బి హెల్తీ. నెక్స్ట్, ఐ గో టు ద స్కూల్ ఫర్ ఏ హెల్తీ మైండ్. నా హెల్తీ మైండ్, నా బ్రెయిన్ చాలా బాగా వర్క్ చేయాలంటే నేను ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నా? స్కూల్కి వెళ్తున్నా. వై వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ద స్కూల్? టు గెట్ ద హెల్తీ మైండ్. Why we will get the healthy mind? ఎందుకు వస్తుంది మనకి healthy mind? Yes, teacher will explain the lesson. You will talk with your friends, means you will discuss that. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన టాపిక్ మీరు ఏంటి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో డిస్కస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అలా లేకపోతే మీకు తెలిసిన కొన్ని విషయాలు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో డిస్కస్ మీన్స్ we are improving our mind. మన మైండ్ ని మనం డెవలప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. So to get the healthy mind, we are going to the school. For most important to improve the healthy mind, we should read, write, and we should rememberize. Rememberize ఏంటి? గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. We should always recap or rememberize our topics. Then we should be active. Our brain will be also active. Next point, I do exercise for the healthy heart. దేనికోసం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తున్నా నేను? Healthy heart. Healthy heart కోసం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తున్నా. Not only for heart, for every organ we need to be exercised. Next, I get a lot of sleep at night for a healthy body, mind and heart. నేను నైట్ చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా నిద్రపోతాను. I will go very happy sleep to get my body, brain and heart relaxed or healthy. హెల్తీగా ఉండడం కోసం నా బాడీ, నా బ్రెయిన్, హార్ట్ అన్ని హెల్తీగా ఉండడానికి నేను చాలా బాగా నిద్రపోతాను అని చెప్పాను. Yes, complete. Next image, healthy habits. What are the healthy habits? We will see there. Stay fit. What is the first point? Stay fit. Get about 8 hours of the sleep each night. ఎన్ని అవర్స్ పడుకోవాలంటున్నాను? మినిమం 8 అవర్స్ పడుకోవాలి. Do some form of exercise every day. Run, walk, stretch and play. కొన్ని టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయాలి. ఏంటి? రన్నింగ్ కానీ, జాగింగ్ కానీ, స్ట్రెచింగ్ కానీ. స్ట్రెచింగ్ మీన్స్ యోగాసనాలు వేస్తే మన బాడీ స్ట్రెచ్ అవుతుంది. So do some of the exercises also. Next, stay healthy. Stay healthy. Practice good hygienic by keeping yourself clean and germ free. Enti ela clean ga undali. Wash hands 2 times. Means before eating the meal, after eating the meal we should wash, or brush the teeth twice. Brush the teeth twice. Next, bath regularly. Like that. Stay healthy means always practice good hygienic and keeping your clean and germ free. Germs free. Germs nunchi baita padalante always we should wash our hands, wash our body, means bath body for 2 times. Like that we should do some of the things. Next, stay happy. Make good choice every day for a happy and healthy you. Enti happy ga undali eppudu chusina. Why we are telling happy? ఎందుకు హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి మరి? సపోజ్ హ్యాపీ చాయిసెస్. మమ్మీ మనకి ఏం చెప్పింది? ఇఫ్ యూ రీడ్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఏ చాక్లెట్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ వి విల్ గో ఫర్ ఏ పార్క్. మమ్మీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ ఆర్ డాడీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ లైక్ దట్. వీ షుడ్ ఫాలో దోస్ ఐడియాస్. వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన మాట మనం విని మనం వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది చేసామనుకోండి, మనకేం జరుగుతుంది? వి విల్ బి హ్యాపీ అండ్ దే విల్ బి ఆల్సో హ్యాపీ. Always choose the happiest things. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? మమ్మీ will give a chocolate, or father will take you to the park, or he may take you to the ice cream parlor. ఎక్కడికైనా అక్కడికి మీరు ఏం చెప్తే అక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్తారు. So always choose the happiest things and always listen to your parents. Next, stay energized. ఎనర్జీగా ఎలా ఉండాలి? Eat nutritious meals and snacks daily. Include food from these groups: dairy, grains, protein, vegetables and the fruits. Already నేను చెప్పాను, డైలీ we should drink a glass of milk. మనం కంపల్సరీగా రోజు ఒక గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ మిల్క్. we should drink a 1 glass of milk daily. మనకి ఇష్టం ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా మిల్క్ కంపల్సరీ తాగాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద హెల్తీ ఫుడ్. నెక్స్ట్, గ్రెయిన్స్. గ్రెయిన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? మమ్మీ విల్ ప్రిపేర్ దాల్. దాల్ తెలుసు కదా, దోశ చేస్తుంది మమ్మీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో హెల్తీ ఫుడ్. నెక్స్ట్, పప్పు వండుతుంది మమ్మీ, అది హెల్తీ. సో గ్రెయిన్స్ మీన్స్ సిరల్స్, చిన్న చిన్న పప్పు ధాన్యాలు ఏమంటాం? గ్రెయిన్స్ అంటాం. అవి తినాలి. నెక్స్ట్, ప్రోటీన్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ అండ్ ద ఫ్రూట్స్. If you eat all types of fruits and vegetables, then you will get the proteins. Okay, next, stay safe. Wear proper gear when playing sports. ఏంటి ఎప్పుడైనా sports, either if you are playing a cricket or if you are playing a volleyball or just you are cycling, for everything you should need to be safe. You should wear the helmets. Next, by cycling or riding a car, ekkadunna we should wear the helmet or we should wear the seat belt. We should always be safe. Obey the safety rules. Always safety rules ni follow kandi ani cheptunna. Now we have completed this one. Yes. Now we are going to look after our worksheet, children. Yes. Many things that being active is important. Our worksheet is being active is important. Many things that playing a football is a good physical activity, right? Why Mary thinks so? Mary enduku fitting important అని చెప్తుంది. Yes, I will write the answer. Why it is important? Yes. What is the question? Once again I am telling you. Many think that playing football is a good physical activity. Physical activity is good. Yes. It is a exercise. It is a exercise. It is a exercise. Exercise laga work chestadi. Next, I feel means the girl will feel. Mary will feel happy. Feel happy. Playing means we feel happy. Feel happy. Next, why it is more important in the? Why it is important? Exercise chestam, feeling happy ga untam. Next, body becomes fit. Body becomes fit. Okay, next, healthy mind we can get. What we get? Healthy mind. Healthy mind. We can get healthy mind. So these are the 4 important ways why the Mary is going to play the football. Next point, tick the activities that can help you to stay active. Active గా ఉండడానికి ఎలాంటి steps తీసుకోవాలి అని అడుగుతారు. Right. First one, he is keeping his surroundings clean. అంటే బెడ్ ని లేవగానే నీట్ గా he is going to fold. So it is the right thing. Next, what the person is doing? Watering the plants. Watering the plants is also a good habit. So that is also the right. Next, eating the fruit. That is also a good habit. That is also a good habit. Next, keeping the shoes or in a correct order. That is also a good thing. Next, 5th one, watching TV and eating the snacks in orderly. So this is the wrong. This is a not correct way. TV. While watching the TV, we should not eat any type of food. So that is the wrong thing. Right. Okay. Now we have completed the second one also. I am going to write the third answer. Yes. How can these activities help us to stay healthy? Yes, I will write that. These activities help us to move our body parts and remain active. See here, how can these activities under brushing, gardening, exercise, eating the fresh vegetables and fruits, doing exercises, or why these all are called as a good habits or good health. These activities help us to move. Running or doing exercise will move our body parts and remain active. Movement unte మన body parts లో మనం active గా ఉండాలి. So that we should always move or we should always do the exercise. Then only we will be active. అప్పుడు మనం యాక్టివ్ గా కనిపిస్తాం. Right. Okay. I hope it is clear now. I am going to clear my drawings. Yes. Okay, fine. Children, have you taken the textbook page number 61? Yeah. Page number 61. Who want to read the first? Raise your hand. Who want to read the textbook? Okay, Charlie has raised first. After Srikanti, I will do the answer. Take out the page number 61 from the textbook. Unmute yourself, Charlie.
To keep an our organs healthy, we need to eat healthy food and
Exercise.
We should play outdoor every day. We should
also
keep ourselves and our
surroundings
surroundings.
Clean. Okay. Next, what is the point there? A picture skin of point. Ways to keep
healthy and active.
Charlie, try yourself, Nana. Okay, fine, you have read it. I was happy. Okay, very good. Srikanti, unmute, Nana. Yeah.
Keep healthy and active. To keep all our organs healthy, we need to eat healthy food and exercise. We should play outdoors every day. We should also keep ourselves and
Our surroundings
clean.
Okay. One more point they have given. Ways to keep healthy and active. That point also you should. Okay, fine.
The tongue is stronger muscle in our body.
Okay, very good. Very good, Srikanti. Mostly you will only be reading the perfect reading. Most of you are not reading. You only accept you. Very good. Very good. Read like that. Fine. I was very happy with your behavior as well as with your answers. Very good. Okay. Neutral. Next. Who want to write as the read answers? Who want to read? Yes, Neeraj has raised it. Vedani, where you looking, ma? Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Neeraj, start reading now. Keeping.
To keeping all our organs healthy, we need to eat healthy food and exercise. We should play
Outdoor.
Outdoors very every day we called shield. Also keep
Ourselves.
ourselves and our
Surroundings.
surroundings clean.
Very good. Very good, Neeraj. Very good. Vedanta, next you only. Unmute. Rishik and Rishi, where you are going? Why you are off the video? Next you only, Rishik and Rishi. Unmute yourself. Unmute your video, not the audio. Yeah, Vedanta, please start reading them.
To keep all our organs healthy, we need to eat healthy food and
Exercise.
exercise. We should play
Outdoors.
every day. We should also keep
Ourselves.
ourselves and our surroundings clean.
Clean. Very good, Vedanta. Hey, where you were, Rishik and Rishi? You left there? Okay. Fine. I'm going to ask you the question. Now I'm going to ask you the questions. You have read, everyone has read the textbook, so I'm going to ask you the questions. Are you ready, children?
Yes.
Okay. First, Vedanta, I'm going to ask you only. We should eat always healthy food. Say yes or no? We should always eat healthy food. Say yes or no.
What, ma'am?
ఓకే నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నా జాగ్రత్తగా మనం ఎప్పుడైనా హెల్తీ ఫుడ్ తినాలి సే yes or no for the answer always we should eat look at me to nagal first look at the board always we should eat healthy food is it a right answer or wrong answer
Right.
are you doing exercise
Yes, ma'am.
are you playing outside
No, ma'am.
are you playing inside
Yes, ma'am.
are you brushing your teeth twice brush చేస్తున్నావా 2 times
రెండు సార్లు చేస్తున్నాను ఒకసారి చేస్తున్నాను మరి చెప్పు
One time, ma'am.
one time okay very good you told the answers very neatly very good Vedanta next Charlie unmute okay first question for you we should always keep our surroundings clean say yes or no మన సరౌండింగ్స్ ఎప్పుడు క్లీన్ గా ఉంచుకోవాలి అది కరెక్టా రాంగా
Yes.
yes are you brushing your teeth బ్రష్ చేస్తున్నావా రోజు
Yes. 2 times.
ఓకే నాకే ఫస్ట్ ఓకే are you playing
Yes.
okay we should always eat fresh food say yes or no
Yes.
yes always we should eat fruits
Yes.
okay very good Charvik fine next Neeraj
Yes, ma'am.
are you eating fruits Neeraj
Yes.
are you eating vegetables
Yes.
are you doing exercise
No.
are you playing
Yes.
are you writing
Yes.
are you reading
Yes.
daily how many hours you are reading ఎన్ని hours చదువుతున్నావు 1 hour చదువుతున్నావా daily
What, ma'am?
daily 1 hour చదువుతున్నావా
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
okay We should always keep our surroundings clean. Yes or no?
Yes.
We should always brush twice a day.
One time brush.
One time brushing, huh? Okay. Very good, Neeraj. Very good. You understand the topic, I got it. Next, Karthik. Unmute now. Are you eating noodles or with fruits?
Fruits, ma'am.
Say the truth.
Yes.
Fruits only. Okay. Very good. Fine. Next, are you doing exercise?
Yes, ma'am. I playing.
Playing you are doing. Okay. What type of games you are playing?
Shuttle.
Shuttle. Very good. Outdoor game. Okay. We should always keep our surroundings clean. Is it correct or wrong?
With my mom and my tata.
Okay. Very good. Nice. Always we should keep our surroundings clean.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Always we should keep our body also clean.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes. We should brush our teeth.
Yes.
Yes. We should always be safe.
What,
Safe
ma'am?
from means always we should be safe from the germs. Germs is safe ground means always we should wash our hands. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Before eating the food, we should wash our hands.
Yes.
After eating food, we should wash our hands. Yes or no?
Mouth also.
Mouth also. Very good. Okay, fine. Very
After
good.
hands, ma'am.
Yes, hands and mouth we should wash. Okay.
Hands and mouth.
Next, next I'm going to ask you one more question. Artik. How many lungs do you have?
What, ma'am?
How many lungs do you have? Lungs. Last class. Yes, 2.
2, ma'am.
Are you breathing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Think no?
Breathing. Yes, can you listen your heart sound? Check it.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Very good. Super. Fine.
Lub dub, lub dub.
Very good. Srikartik, very nice answers. Neeraj, you are playing wine? Where you went, Neeraj?
Yeah.
What is your sister name? What is your sister?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit properly first. Don't play with your sister. Sit properly. Okay. Don't play with your sister, right? Okay. How many lungs do you have? Neeraj? Any lungs in any? 1 or 2? Any lungs in any?
What, ma'am?
How many lungs you are having?
1 only.
1 only? No, 2 lungs you are having. 2 lungs ఉంటాయి మనకి. 2 nostrils. మనకి nose కి 2 holes ఉంటాయి. ఆ 2 holes నుంచి 2 lungs లోకి వెళ్తుంది air.
Lungs. 2, ma'am. 2 lungs have.
Okay, very good. Very good, Neeraj. Fine. Okay. Every child has told me the correct answer. Today I was very happy. Okay, Siddhartha has sent me the message also. 2 lungs we are having. Yes. Okay. Today everyone has told me the correct answers. I was very happy with your answers as well as you read the topics also very nicely. Okay. I was very happy. Regarding this topic, what we have learned children today? Keeping healthy and active we have discussed. Regarding this topic, I am going to send you the worksheet. Try to complete the worksheet children and send it back by the WhatsApp. Okay? Happy Christmas. Advance happy Christmas for you. And we will meet on Monday. Bye children. Bye. We will meet in the next class.